Okay, the last topic in this section is solving radical inequalities. So, for the most part, the method is going to be very similar to solving the equation. It's just interpreting the results that will be a little bit different. So, in this problem, 3 times the square root of x minus 1 is less than or equal to 12. We'd solve that very much like it was an equation. So if this was an equation, we would first isolate the radical by dividing both sides by 3, and we would get the square root of x minus 1 is less than or equal to 4, and then we'd square both sides here. We're raised into the second power, and you'd get x minus 1 is less than or equal to 16. Add 1 to both sides, and your solution would be x is less than or equal to 17. Right. However, the difference here is that we're also including the radicand, or what's underneath our radical sign, in our answer. So we need to think about what would, since the radicand cannot be less than 0, it must be a positive number. What is the value of x so that the value underneath, or the radicand, is not less than 0? Well, all you need to do is write that inequality, x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, and then solve for x. So we're adding 1 to both sides, and we would get x is greater than or equal to 1. So our solution then is 1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 17. And that's the solution here.